What's happening, guys? So today I want to share a bit on brand registry, specifically brand registry benefits, because everyone knows brand registry is a good thing to get a trademark, to get into brand registry. But what benefits can you derive from actually doing that? I notice a lot of brand registered sellers often ask, am I using this to the fullest? What features are available to me? So today, I don't want to break down the obvious ones like your A+ content, but I want to break down the more hidden ones. And I want to go into 5 Seller Central sections that you may not have known about, especially to do with brand registry and once you're a brand registered seller. So if you're brand registered, this should unveil a lot of the features you can be using. And if you're not brand registered yet, it's going to explain the benefits of becoming brand registered. Number 1, manage experiments. Ever wanted to try out 2 main images or 2 titles at the same time and then see which one converts better? Well, now you can. Head over to brands and then you want to click on manage experiments. In here, you can actually create a new experiment, and you can do this by A+ content if you want to have differing contents, differing titles, or different main images, and you can test all of these variations. So let's say you wanted to do this with main images. You would first see a list of eligible products, and you can select one of these as your reference ASIN. You can then name your experiment, actually input a hypothesis, so changing the main image from this to this is going to result in an increase in sales. And then you set a duration of your experiment. Down here, you would actually upload the next image. So your A/B split test, the other image, you want to see how well your product will sell when that image is live. And it's going to compare what you have now, your reference ASIN, to this. And Amazon is at random going to display this image, this main image, to your customers. And in this way, you're actually going to get data back on which gets the better click-through rate or conversion rate, etc. Number 2, virtual bundles. Have you ever wanted to sell 2 of your different products together as a separate bundle on Amazon? Well, now you can. Head over to brands and then virtual bundles. As you can see with this pop-up, a virtual bundle is between 2 and 5 products from your catalog. They're going to be sold as one, typically at a discount because it's like a bulk purchase. And the number of bundles available will be based solely on the smallest quantity available of all the products. So if you're selling 2 products together, whichever has less inventory, that obviously is going to create the quantity available for the bundle when they're sold together. And once a virtual bundle is created, it becomes an independent SKU. It becomes its own listing. Although you're not sending in like a new bundle to Amazon, these are being bundled within the warehouse. It's creating a new listing for those items which will be shipped out together when they are bought from this new SKU. And of course, you're going to be able to edit and create a new listing for this new SKU. And then removing that pop-up, you can see this is exactly how we would create our bundle. We're going to add products from our existing catalog here, and then we would likely take new images of these products together and then fill out the rest to create a new listing and a new SKU. Number 3, repeat purchase behavior. Have you ever wanted to know how many of your customers repeat buy your product? Well, now you can figure this out. You're going to head over to brands and then brand analytics. Within brand analytics, come over to repeat purchase behavior. And within this tab, you can search for an ASIN or just look at your products overall. But here it is going to tell you the orders, unique customers, and the repeat customers, the percentage of people who repeat purchased your product. Now in this case, I know it is not a repeat purchase product, and so we have 0% here. But this is very important to know for those of you doing consumables, or if you're selling something where perhaps you want to set up, subscribe, and save. or take advantage of other fulfillment programs. Number 4, item comparison and alternate purchase behavior. Have you ever wanted to know which competitors your customers compare you to the most, or which competitors customers actually buy instead of you the most? Well, now you can figure these things out. Again, brands, brand analytics, but this time we're going to go to item comparison and alternate purchase behavior. Again, you can look at all your products or insert an ASIN, but now we can see the top 3 compared ASINs or the top 3 purchased ASINs instead of us. At the top, we can see comparison. So in this field, we're going to see the product people compare us to the most and the percentage of that, second most and the percentage of that, and continuing, in fact, all the way to number 5, not 3, but to the 5th most compared item to us. So we can gain good insight into our top competitors for our specific type of product. And the next level down, alternate purchase. So here we can see which products our customers bought instead of us. They looked at us, but they chose the competitor. So this item is the one they choose the most. After looking at us, this is the one they checked out with when they did not buy our product. And we can see a percentage for this, which is the percentage of alternate orders that included this product. When people did not buy ours, but they bought alternatives, the percentage of orders that included this product. And again, we can see that all the way up until the 5th most alternate purchase product to us. And again, this is very good to know because we can look at those competitors quite closely and start looking at why. Why are people choosing them as an alternative to us? And we can start incorporating those aspects. Number 5, listing videos. Do you want a cool video like this as your last listing image? Well, now you can upload these. To do this, you want to head over to Inventory and then click on Upload and Manage Videos. And on this page, you can actually upload a video up to a maximum size of 5 gigabytes. You're also going to want to enter a title, the ASINs that this video is for, and a thumbnail image for your video before submitting. And a couple noteworthy points. Brand analytics is extremely powerful, and I urge you to take a very good look not only at the Amazon search terms part, which we're on now, but also look into these deeper fields here. You can get a lot of information on your customers, on your market, even demographics. This is very, very valuable business info. And Amazon attribution, this is still in beta, but that's going to give you data attributed to non-Amazon ads. So if you're running Facebook ads or even promotions on social media platforms, this is going to give you a lot of insight into the traffic and sales generated from your off of Amazon campaigns. So those are 5 Seller Central features or sections that you should be looking at once you're brand registered. So if you are registered, I hope this does help you, gives you something new that you can start using for your business. And if you're not registered, I hope this breaks down some of the benefits you can expect. But as always, if this did help you, please drop us a quick like on this video. Comment below what you think of Registry. Is it worth it? Or which features you're using that perhaps I missed. I'd love to hear from you below. But I hope you guys are all keeping really well, and I'll catch you in the next session.